More than 2 months since the Austin Police Department's DNA lab was shut down after concerns of improperly trained staff and problems verifying evidence.
Since then, the Travis County District Attorney has sent hundreds of letters to defense attorneys to let them know about the problem and also that some DNA samples may need to be retested. Today, Travis County Commissioners are going to be talking about how a grant may be able to help with that. Alicia Inns live downtown this morning with the details. Good morning, Alicia.
Hey, good morning, John. Yeah, and you know, DNA testing is really just an important part of the criminal justice process. It's used in cases such as sexual assaults and murders as well. Well, the FBI told labs, and this is something they told here and across the state, that they need to follow the federally mandated process of collecting this evidence and calculating cases with DNA mixtures. But the problem is, as officials say, APD's lab was not following these procedures, and their calculations may be flawed, or they may have led to mistakes. And right now, the number of cases under review is unknown, but we know that it could be very high. With the lab shut down, officials are hoping a nearly $150,000 grant being discussed today will actually help fund a new program that reviews these cases and provides some oversight. We talked with Sam Bassett, a criminal defense lawyer. He's practiced for 28 years in Central Texas and says to fund forensic science in any way is a good thing when you have someone's life at stake.
If there's not enough money, then you have a risk that people will be wrongfully convicted. You have the risk that those who are actually guilty will be not in the system and not found and not located. And you have the torture that victims' families go through, waiting years sometimes for somebody to be prosecuted for hurting their loved one.
Now, as you heard John mention, the Travis County Commissioners are going to be discussing this grant and approving it, and then from there they're going to be looking at these cases that are in the pipeline, so they haven't been discussed yet, even cases that actually are completed to see maybe what went wrong here. But we were looking at some of the stories that we've done in the past, and it looked like the backlog on these is about 1,400 cases. Just goes to show you how many and how much work still needs to be done, even if this money gets approved. So of course we'll keep you posted on what we find out today. For now, we're live in downtown Austin. Alicia Inns, KXAN News.